iPhone 15 series Face ID solution. World first release. iPhone 15 series. No repair parts. What to do? Use Luban integrated dot matrix chip. Easy fix. With this mobile phone that has lost its face function, for testing, prompt that there is a problem with the true depth camera. Face ID is disabled. Luban platform direct unbanned. After reading the data and uploading it to the cloud, remove the chip directly. Take it out directly after removal. Luban 15 series dot matrix chip for installation. Put on Luban 15 series dot matrix chip. The direction of the chip triangulation point is at the position indicated by the arrow. Start installation. Click W Write Backup. After writing the dot matrix data, install it directly and test it. Enter Face ID test. Faces can be entered normally. Luban tool technology is far ahead.